Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about a new crypto project that actually have the potential to go all the way and make you insane gains. We will be talking about Sui. We'll go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform Sui. What's going on here and what's the whole concept behind this project? It's building beyond. Here, that's unlocking the freedom to build powerful on-chain assets. What's going on here and what's this project? Well, simply speaking, it's a permissionless POS-powered layer 1 blockchain that aims to provide instant settlement and high throughput while enabling a wide range, extreme, next generation decentralized application. So it's an innovative decentralized layer 1 blockchain that kind of revolutionized the whole concept and pushes things in a very interesting and unique way. This here will allow developer to create a Web3 project that will serve the expected huge wave of Web3 users, meaning that, you know, that currently there's kind of debate on the capacity of the Web3 right now in the development phase. So this project here will help actually enabling more and more developers to cope with the huge demand that Web3 is waiting for. So what's the benefit of using Sui in general? Like, why to choose this project over here? Well, first of all, you will find that the transaction fee is so minimum and you don't have to pay gas for all the operation on the Sui blockchain. So that's also one of the main causes you might need to go for the Sui token or the Sui network. And here the infinite possibility and scalability of this project will open new horizons for you, of course. And as a developer, that can be rather interesting for you, and also if you're an investor or you're looking for something to invest in, that can be also something to bear in mind and to consider. Staking and pounding and slashing assets and validators staking Sui to participate in the transaction in the process itself, and in case of a fraud, the Sui tokens will be cut as punishment. That's adding a layer of trust, and that's also regulating things in a very strong and strict way, so you can be rest assured that things are under a good protocol. So that's also one that raises the confidence. Here, as you can see, build with confidence, and the Sui simplifies the smart contract development process with a user-friendly programming language that are both safe and expressive. So that's all added value for this project. So I would highly advise you to check the links down below, understand it more, get yourself more acquainted, and see what's going on. The security here is one also major factor for choosing this project, and that's one of the fundamental principles they are working with. So as you can see here, Sui Network and Sui Move are designed to provide very high security guarantees to asset owners. So the working of Sui, how Sui works in general, like as you scroll down, of course, as you can see here, the website is well established and things are looking rather fluid and dynamic, and you can see that things are well organized. So what's the working of Sui? According to Sui's technical documentation, the blockchain consists of three main components. The component number one here, the objects, and the other one is the transaction, and the third one is the validator. Of course, you know, the object that has a programmable objects built and managed by the Move powered smart contracts, and it's also known as the object itself. So the transactions are any modification and updates to the Sui ledger, and that's described by a transaction or as a transaction. And the validators, these are independent validators, manage the entire Sui network on different machines. These are running a unique version of the Sui software. So that's in general the whole kind of idea on how this project works, and things are actually quite interesting from a developer point of view and also from an investor point of view. So I would highly invite you to go and check yourself this information and understand it more. Probably you will find it rather interesting, probably you will find it not for you, probably makes sense in the near future when Web3 is starting picking up again. That's all depending on your perspective, but as you can see here, you can go and have a look on their socials, and you will find that Twitter, which is a rather strong indicator for me at least, is kind of 620,000 followers. That's a huge number for a Twitter following for a project, and as you can see, it's rather gaining momentum and things are moving and moving and moving. So the community is growing, so you will find many people are more than happy to help you and assist you whenever you have any question as an investor or as a developer. So this project here is one to look after, and this one can have the potential to propel and excel in the future, in the very near future actually, because the market's starting starting to move, and that means also that many projects on the market will also gain some momentum and things will add some value and services. And here this project adds a lot of value, and this one here enables developers to have some unlimited possibilities and opportunities to build more and more. And I would say this one here is a one to look for and at least inform yourself more about it. It's a great concept and give it a go. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Sui, the new project in the crypto space that actually have the potential to propel everything, including your gains, to some astronomical levels. We talked about all the perks, all the concept behind this project, so I would highly advise you to inform yourself more, get yourself more acquainted with the whole idea and get more educated about the topic, and of course understand what's going on, and then take your decision whether you want to invest in it, whether you want to dive deep into more information or whatsoever. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out, and as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until next time, bye bye.